Life's a journey filled with twists and turns. Every action we take, every lesson we learn. Sometimes we're blinded by our own desires, but what goes around always comes back as fire. The universe watches, it keeps the score. Every deed, every lie, every closed door. Colors of force, you can't outrun her. If you sow the seeds, you'll reap what you sow. When the tables turn and you feel the burn. Colors of force, and she's never alone. She's a silent whisper, a gentle breeze, but when she strikes back, she brings you to your knees. You might think you've gotten away clean, but karma's eyes see everything unseen. The truth will surface, it always does. In the game of life, there are no shortcuts. Colors of force, you can't outrun her. If you sow the seeds, you'll reap what you sow. When the tables turn and you feel the burn. Colors of force, and she's never alone. When the night falls and you're all alone, reflect on your actions, the seeds you've sown. For in the depths of your own despair, karma's the mirror that'll always be there. Karma's the mirror that'll always be there.